For the love of God, where's the Cheese Whiz?
I don't know where the Cheese Whiz is.
No idea where this Cheese Whiz is. I read it was aisle 12. I thought we were in aisle 12. We were in aisle 9. Yep. The lady was very mad at me for asking. Hey, I look pretty ugly right now. This is my editing self. Don't mind me. But point being, this entire video, we had some issues with some audio. We've been having crazy audio issues for no reason at all. But it sounds awful in a lot of points, so please bear with us. Sometimes it sounds good. Sometimes it sounds awful. Just want to send that disclaimer. God, I can't speak. Welcome back to Shef Satt, the show where we have absolutely no idea what we're doing. Go Birds! The Eagles won the Super Bowl. In the spirit of Philadelphia, not that one, because that one's crazy, but in the spirit of Philadelphia, we're gonna be making some cheesesteak sliders. I'm super excited on this little play on the cheesesteak. Super simple too, it's like 4 ingredients. And Noah's gonna be making a Philadelphia invented cocktail called the Clover Club. I'm super excited. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling fantastic.
Feeling fantastic.
I get to be the bartender.
You get to be bartending this time. I get to actually cook. Yeah, this isn't my real hair.
Yeah, don't let it mislead you. It's pretty misleading.
I know what you're thinking.
Frosted tips?
I do want frosted tips, I'm not gonna lie sometimes. With my hair, I could definitely pull the Justin Timberlake frosted, the ramen hair.
Dude, honestly.
Probably good.
Probably could.
That'd be crazy.
That'd be something.
But anyway, let us chef. So here's what you need. Cheese Whiz, a yellow onion, slider buns, and top round or sirloin steak. Alright, so you want to start with an onion, a singular yellow onion. Cut off the sides. God, that was loud. It's just like...
The way you hold that knife is so interesting.
Try it.
Let's do a shot. It makes it easy.
Like this?
Yeah.
Like just this, what is this? Hey, you guys bought merch. You guys are sick. I hope it's good quality. If it's not, don't sue me. Oh, I forgot to move this giant eyesore. Ah. All right, you know what? That's enough onions. This should be plenty for what we're cooking. We're literally not cooking that much. They're sliders. What do you expect? All right, so we have our top round steak. You can use either top round or ribeye. Ribeye is usually the most popular, but this one, $4. So if you guys watch the Super Bowl, you know how insane it was and how crazy Philadelphia was. I saw a meme that was like, Philadelphia, whether the Eagles win or not, and it was the one scene from Transformers where there's explosions and they're fighting each other, and I'm like, it was pretty dang close. Okay, so we have our meat, nice shredded beef. This looks delicious, and I think it's going to come together perfectly. So we're gonna switch to our oven, and we're gonna saute these onions and then saute the meat in there. All right, so I'm gonna pour these guys in here. Ooh, I love the sound of a sizzling pan. Also, I feel like with this hat, I should be named Chad. Is this a Chad hat? No. Evan? No.
What about Bryson?
Bryson.
Bryson's pretty good.
Yeah, sorry, Bryson.
I feel like Chase would be pretty
Chase could work too. Also, Chase, what are you doing? Comment.
I would just love to know the percentage of our viewers that watch our videos while they're sitting on the toilet.
Oh, if you are on the toilet right now, comment. Whoa. I guess frying onions is like watching water boil. God. All right, we're gonna throw the steak in here. This is starting to smell delicious. So the one thing I always try and get a little bit of butter in there. I feel like that'll add to the browning just a little bit.
Just make sure to stir it continually so that the onions don't stick to the pan. Is that a banana sticker on your apron?
I don't remember this from like 2 episodes ago.
Oh.
Scan it, it's how much I'm worth. Like 50 cents. Buns. We're gonna be toasting up some of these brioche buns. Cut them in half if they're not already pre-cut. And we're gonna just sizzle these bad boys in here in all the onion and the beef and This is very dangerous, but danger is my middle name. All right, so that one's done. It's also done. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Ow! Yeah! Dang, that hurt. It was a piece of onion. I'm scared now. What the heck was that? All right, we're gonna do these last few buns and then we're gonna move on to building the sandwiches. Sliders. That's embarrassing. Really bad. All right, sandwich building time. So we're gonna surgically make these sliders. Apparently I'd be a really bad surgeon because this is not good. For the secret, not so secret ingredient, Cheese Whiz. 3 minutes? Jeez. I'm gonna make a new creature. I'm gonna make another life form. Oh my gosh, look at this. Yeah, you wanna get a close up of that because, oh man. Oh no! Oh well. Ugh. And there we have our Philly cheesesteak sliders. I'm so excited.
Here I am. I get to be bartender today. So, what we're making today is, as Elijah mentioned already, a Philly invented cocktail known as the Clover Club. Super excited to try this out. The ingredient list looks very delicious. First time I'm ever making a drink with egg white. What we're going to do is we're gonna take our lovely shaker cup right here. The recipe calls for a raspberry simple syrup. However, to make it a little easier on ourselves, what it does say is instead of making the raspberry simple syrup, you can throw the simple syrup in with a couple of fresh raspberries and muddle them, which will be a good alternative. So I'm gonna drop 4 half an ounce of simple syrup. And then we're gonna grab our muddler right here. You're just gonna get in there, throw some ice cubes in there. Got our nice little lemon squeeze right here. Look at that. That is perfect half ounce. Next up, we're gonna do 2 ounces of our gin. Personally, huge fan of 10 Cray. It's just good. It's London Dry Gin, which is what this specifically calls for. And it's probably one of the cheapest you can get, and it's tasty. And that is fantastic. So that is gonna do it for our ingredients. That is one heck of a combination of things. Gonna pop that bad boy down, make sure to hold the top. Now, that's not on there all the way. Now, what you're gonna wanna do is shake this for up to 30 seconds. Typically with a drink you do about 8 to 10 seconds, but because it's got egg whites in there, we want that to emulsify, and that's why we're gonna shake it for a little bit longer. The last and final step is to grab a couple of skewers because we gotta do our special little garnish. I'm gonna go function in the long way, it's just to make it look cute. And just place it neatly right in that corner. And there we have it, the Clover Club. So now we are going to clean up and then we are ready to take the first bite and sip of the night. Yarr! Yarr!
All right, we're here. We have our sliders, our beautiful drinks. They're still so gorgeous. Like,
It's just pretty.
It's so pretty. I just think it's a good color. Tastes like cheesesteak. I have no complaints.
Cheese is good. It's cheese whiz, you know. It's nothing gourmet, but it reminds you of a Philly cheesesteak, which is the entire point. So there is this puppy a try.
That's bright.
Yeah,
hold on.
but not bad by any means. So no,
Philadelphia.
You know what you're doing.
You came through.
You came through.
You came through.
You came through in the Super Bowl, and you came through on our plates.
That's right.
Good job. Shout out to Philly.
The funny, Dang. The funny thing is, I supposedly started a diet yesterday with no dairy and no alcohol.
This broke all.
Thank you all for watching. Thank you for all your continued support. All of our socials and merch and donation and everything is down below. We thank you for being the best fans we could ever ask for. You guys' comments are awesome and your support is fantastic. We love you all very, very much. And we'll see you, we're pretty much scheduled out till May.
Yeah.
In terms of like ideas and stuff. So we'll see you next week. We're very excited. It's gonna be awesome. Next week is our podcast. Episode 2 of our podcast.
Oh yeah.
So that'll be super fun. Looking forward to it. Without further ado,
Bon appetit.
bon appetit.